Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Dodge video update. And so far I've been actually talking about how Dodge in the previous videos was making a W pattern. So you made a W here, broke the W, went up, came back for the retest, and you actually got a little bit overextended and the technical target has been met. Now Bitcoin didn't actually met the technical target of an inverse head and shoulder, but we saw Dodge actually making an amazing move to the upside as well. So congratulations to the one who took the trade. Now basically we are approaching weekends, and weekends is not a good time to trade. Today's Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday. Thursday could actually have a small little bit pump, and then boom, from Friday and Saturday, Sunday, you get killer weekends, dumpy weekends. And right now, what I'm gonna say is you're really looking to come down to retrace to a certain level. And if you don't hold that level, we're gonna talk about the next technical target. Right now, you're bouncing off the 0.382 if you look at it this way, which is the 0.6575. Lose this level, it's a free fall to the 6219, and then you go all the way down to the 5883. So this is an important, interesting level. If you lose this, put a tick there. You're looking for a big reversal wave all the way down to 0.3670, and that's where you're gonna find the next technical target. So be super careful. I'm just gonna leave it with this one as a very simple update, and that's it. I'm gonna see you with the next one. I love it.